Hello everyone, this is Rooftop Gardening. This is 14th January and today I am going to update on my tomato plantation. This is like gloomy and the sun has not come out from the past 4 days and they have rained and drained out all those nutritious part from my soil. So let me show you the plants right now. So this is the plant that I have planted previously like 2 weeks ago. So these are healthy, these look healthy because there is a lot of water in the soil because of the rain, but all the nutritious part of the soil have gone out. So this looks actually very healthy. The stem is very thick and there is lots of hair, but the soils have drained out and the effect will be showing on the plant for the upcoming days. So I have to use those fertilizer like urea 111, gypsum salt, and like egg cells crushed, and this organic mustard seed powders solution. So then this plant will be very healthy. It looks healthy because of the previous solutions and all the rainwater. Let me show the other plant. Okay, so this is the other plant that I am growing. So yeah, this is the first plant, this is the second plant, and this is the onion plant. The onion plants have died actually because of all those extra water that the rain gave. Yes, this is the same thing happened here, like all this water actually drained out all these nutritious particles, and this is left, this is the dried, like I don't know, virgin soils, whatever you want to say it. These are actually very healthy plants that I have growing, and after some time it will be fruiting, like 1 to 2 months. So I have to give all those fertilizers again. So I will keep you updated with the next video. Stay tuned. And as I have actually start this new channel, so if you give it a like and subscribe for more updates, then it will be very helpful for me. So yes, welcome to this channel. Thank you.